In today's fast-paced world, managing finances effectively is crucial. As the cost of living rises, families often seek ways to optimize their expenses and enhance their financial stability. One such strategy gaining traction is loan against property or LAP balance transfer. So what does LAP balance transfer really mean and what are its benefits? LAP balance transfer is the process of transferring your existing loan against property to another lender offering better terms such as lower interest rates or improved repayment options. So, what are the advantages of LAP BT? Let's delve in. Lower interest rates. One of the most compelling reasons to opt for LAP balance transfer is the potential for lower interest rates. With intense competition among lenders, you could often find deals with reduced interest rates, leading to significant savings over the loan tenure. Better terms. Apart from lower interest rates, you could negotiate better terms with the new lender. This may include flexible repayment schedules, longer tenure options, or the ability to switch between fixed and floating interest rates, providing greater control over finances. Cost savings. By reducing the interest burden and improving terms, LAP balance transfer could result in substantial cost savings. Even a slight decrease in the interest rate could translate into significant savings over the loan's duration, allowing you to allocate funds to other essential areas. Improved financial management. Consolidating multiple loans or debts into a single LAP balance transfer could streamline financial management. By merging various payments into one, you could simplify your financial obligations, making it easier to track and manage expenses. Enhanced credit score. Timely payments and responsible financial behavior associated with LAP balance transfer could positively impact credit scores. A higher credit score not only improves your financial profile, but also increases your eligibility for future loans at favorable terms. In summary, LAP balance transfer offers a multitude of benefits, including lower interest rates, better terms, potential cost savings, improved financial management, and enhanced credit scores. So, if you are looking to optimize your finances and unlock greater financial stability, consider exploring LAP balance transfer options. Don't go anywhere. We'll be back with much more on the financial literacy front. Until then, keep watching, keep learning.